So, right, we have here OBIEE tool C, we divided into 4 levels, right? OBIEE tool C, we divided into 4 levels of training, out of which we got chance to complete. If you go and try to see the practitioner level, whatever we have it, we completed the practitionary level. We completed the practitionary level. Then we got chance to complete a learner level. Learner level. For one of the batch it is completed, for one of the batch it is not completed. Okay. Now we have here one more thing that is called as what? Specialist level. So the specialist level also completed. And today we are going to, today and as well as tomorrow, in these 2 long classes, we are going to cover the remaining level that is called as advanced level. We are going to cover about it. The advanced level we are going to cover about it. Am I clear? Right. As part of this advanced level, what exactly I am going to cover? What exactly I am going to cover? Today our target is to complete 2 chapters. Number 1, that is called as parent child hierarchy. Then we are going to cover dragged and skipped hierarchy. These are the 2 things what we are going to cover. This is what today our target. That's it. Very simple. Parent-child hierarchy. Second is what? Dragged and skipped hierarchy we are going to cover. So what is parent-child hierarchy? If you go and try to see one slide, now this is what called as parent-child hierarchy. Some data sets contain parent-child or in the brackets value-based hierarchies. What is the meaning of that is? What do you mean by a data set is, for example, we can take our known one that is called as employee name column. Employee name column. In the employee name column, we have here team member name is available, team lead name is available, manager name is available, senior manager name is available. Higher levels also we have it, AD name, D name, HD name, and number of things. Now, team member parent is team lead. Team lead parent is manager. Manager parent is senior manager. So, if you take here 2 team members, the 2 team members parent is what? Team lead. That also available under the same column. That means one value of the employee name and another values of the this value is team member. This value is team member, and we have here value is what? Team lead. So we have here one-to-many relationship. We have it one-to-many relationship. We have it from one value to another value. From one value to other values, we have what? One-to-many relationship. We have it. For example, team member to team lead, we have one-to-many. Manager to team lead, we have one-to-many. Something like that. So we have here one-to-many relationship is available, but this one-to-many relationship is available among values. We have it among values. Hierarchy is defined in the data rather than column relationship. Previously, remembered or not, level-based hierarchy, In case of level-based hierarchy, also we have the one-to-many relationship, but that one-to-many relationship is among the columns. Year column to quarter column, what it is? One-to-many relationship. Quarter column to month column, what it is? One-to-many relationship. But in this case, what is happening? One value to other values, we have here one-to-many relationship. One value to other values, we have here one-to-many relationship. So that is a major difference between level-based hierarchy and parent-child hierarchy. Level-based hierarchy is column to column, one-to-many relationship. Here, values to, within the values, we have the one-to-many relationship. Now, typically used for organizations wherever we have a team-based hierarchy. Wherever we have the team-based hierarchy is available, there we can implement this. For example, we have here our IT sector. We have the employee table is available over there or not? We can implement it. Okay, if you take our political things, okay, there also you can implement what politicians is on table, let us take it as. Okay, so every low level politician is reporting to high level politician, yes or no? Right. That also one kind of one-to-many relationship is available among the values. So wherever we have the one-to-many relationship among the values, you can implement it. Wherever we have as a team they are working, you can implement one-to-many relationship. And here in the parent-child hierarchy, we have only two levels. One is called as total, second is called as detail. It is unlike level-based hierarchy. In level-based hierarchy, I have no limitation. I have no limitation. I can simply create how many levels I want, that many levels I can create it. But whereas here we are only what? Two levels we have it, right? Let us move on to the implementation of this one. To implement this one, unfortunately, I am looking for employee table, but the employee table is not available in our regular supplier to schema. I used to use word supplier to schema, right? Okay, in that one there is no employee table, unfortunately. Even the supplier tree is the one which is using by RRI Tech. It's using by RRI Tech. If you go and try to type or you attend the training provided by Oracle, Oracle also will provide the training. If you attend that training, how they are going to explain these all examples, these all chapters. That just go and try to Google it Google it, then you come to understand. For example, I am typing here OBIEE 12CR11G, okay, administration tool tutorial, okay, tutorial by Oracle, something like this I written. Then creating repository using Oracle OBIEE tools administration tool, we got it. Now let me open this one. Then it is going to open screenshot wise material, it is going to open. Okay, now if you see here, before we begin, purpose, hardware and software requirements, and here you can download a sample application VirtualBox image here, click here, blah blah, building the physical layer of a repository. Then we have here creating a new repository. Then we have here what they are trying to use, OBIEE sample, and they are trying to import the metadata, right? What schema they are trying to use here? Right, see this one, what schema they are using here? OBIEE sample is a schema what they are using. So anything whatever I am explaining here, I used to explain using supply to schema till this today, right? For this concept alone, I would like to use BA sample. BA sample. And I recommend you also, whatever I googled here, you also Google same way, Oracle OBIEE tools administration tutorial by Oracle, and will get this kind of link. You try to practice this one so that you get other set of data practice you are going to get it. You are using what calendar table, customer table, those things, right? Other set of data also you can take it by screenshot wise, anyhow it is available. You know the basics whatever you required, so you can able to follow this document very well because already you are aware of it. What is administration tool? What is going on here? Okay, now this is what the one URL I would like to share to you. I am sharing. What I did is I followed this document dot to dot. I followed this document dot to dot. I followed, and I created already RPDs I created and I uploaded into the OBIEE folder. In the lab data, you will find here RPDs, you'll find here 12C. There, what is this? Using BA sample. There we have one thing that is called as, let us see one thing, what is this? BA sample up to level based hierarchies. Means what? Physical layer, BMM layer, presentation layer, testing, then multiple table sources, calculations, hierarchies. Up to level based hierarchies I implemented and I kept that RPD over there. On top of this, I want to implement what? Parent-child hierarchy. I would like to open this one and we'll see what is the content available inside this one. Already I copied that one into the one folder called as server folder. I copied it in the previous batches. My computer, then C drive, Oracle, middleware, BA Foundation, server. What is this? BA sample. Let me open that BA sample. Morning itself I opened, just now I opened it. What is this RPD? BA sample RPD. Tell me whatever work is available inside this. Each and every work, are you able to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
We have here 5 tables we taken. On these 5 tables, we created the 5 aliases we created and we created the joins. Then we moved here. Then we created the level-based hierarchies and we moved here. Yes or no? Each and every task, whatever available inside this one, we are very well familiar. We are very well familiar. Okay, with this, now I given required introduction, I given it. Now this is the time to start with the parent-child hierarchy. Now first step in the parent-child hierarchy is, importing and creating physical joints. Importing and creating physical joints. We have here some setup is available. The first step is setup. From RR I take lab copy folder, lab copy, 13 lab data, RPDs. Copy here one RPD name I given. Okay, if you are following the 11G, this is the name. But if you are following the 12C, then you have to use, this is what the name you have to use it. This one we have to use. BA sample up to level based hierarchy you have to use it. Bit of common sense you have to use it. Okay. 11G RPD is different. 12C RPD is different. If you are following the 12C, then you have to use that is what the RPD, what you have to use it. Now, or you can create your own also. I shown the help document, right? You can follow that help document. You can create your own. Max it is take. If really being fast, 1.5 hour time it is going to take. That's it. Creating physical layer, BMM layer up to level based hierarchy, it takes 1.5 hour time. That's it. You are going to get the one more set of tables experience. You are going to get it. Now, importing and creating the physical joints. One is employee table. We are importing it. Second is employee parent and child relationship table. We are importing, and employee position table. We are importing it. Let us go and try to do those 3 tables importing. Right click on the connection pool, import the metadata, then click on the next. Now we are trying to expand here BA sample. Inside the BA sample, we want to go for 3 tables. One is called as,
sample in the floor EMPL.
these are the 3 tables what I wanted. Now we are trying to import it. Navigation is very simple. Theory only major we have to understand here. Click on finish. Now I want to create here 3 aliases. We are creating it corresponding to this one. I am giving the name of the alias is what? P50 sales rep.
Yeah.
Let us go and try to create here employee. This one, right click, new object, alias. Then we are trying to provide the name, enter. Second, we have here D51 sales rep parent child. So the parent child, whatever we have it, right click, new object, alias. Now, third one we have here position table. The position table alias also we are creating it. So let us go and try to create the position table alias. We created the required aliases we created. The required aliases we created. We spend some time to understand the data inside this one. Let us go for our first table that is called as employee table. This contains regular data. Regular data means what? What is the employee key or employee number? And what is the employee name? And what is the hire date? And what is the manager ID? Position key type. It looks like regular or employee table or not? Regular or employee table. And here you can observe one of the relation. For example, who is this? One name is what? One name is what?
Fred Webster.
Fred, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this one manager is who? One manager is who? 19. 19 name is what?
Steve.
19 name. This is not the number. This is the number.
Right. James.
Right. So we are going for here 19 name is, this is the name. And 19 manager is who? 25. 25 name is what? Monica. So 25 name is Monica. And 25 name is what? So 25 parent is what? 27. 27 is Michael, and he is reporting to whom? Who is the manager of 27? Null. That means he is the topmost employee in that organization, or he is the founder of the business most of the cases. Now, that's fine. Now we understand one relation here. One is reporting to 19. Is it only one is reporting to 19? May not be. If you go and try to observe, here the data, 19 is available here as well as 19 also available what? Here also. That means this resource also, there is employee 6 also reporting to 19 only, right? Yes, employee 6 also reporting to 19. Okay. Similarly, if you go and try to see 19 is reporting to anyone else, sorry, 25 is acting as a manager for anyone else apart from 19. Here, 19 is reporting to whom? 25. For 25 only 19 is reporting? No. Some other people are reporting. Let's say take this record. This record is reporting to whom? 25. So we have here this employee name is and 22 and reporting here. Something like that, keep on going. So we have here, what I want to say is, this name, whatever you are seeing, all are available within the single column, right? but one value is having here a number of relationships here, right? That's what I am
Yes, sir.
saying. It is a one-to-many relationship among values. One-to-many relationship among values,
Um,
not the columns, not the columns. One-to-many relationship among values is called as parent-child hierarchy. What is parent-child hierarchy? One-to-many relationship among values is called as parent-child hierarchy. That's what the point what you have to remember. Okay, that's clear. Now, okay, we understand this point. Let us go and try to see next point. Here I have position is 6, but I want to know 6 corresponding position name. Position name I want it. Where I can get it the position name? Position table. Let me open this position table, view the data. 6 corresponding position is what? Principal. And what level of employee? Level 3. Did you observe or not, in the bank or any sector, people used to say he is a manager scale 1, he is a manager scale 2, he is a manager scale 3, they used to say. But generally we used to call it as what? Manager. But internally they have what? Scale 1, scale 2, scale 3 things are available. Are you getting my point? So similarly here position level is what? Level 3 only. All are in the same level, but internally their designations are what? One is principal, second is senior, second is associate, like that different things are available. Even in our IT sector also, did you notice that or not? You will have one designation and followed by one band also. You are a band 2 employee. That band is global one actually, not the designation. Meaning, if I say TCS is following system engineer, and CTS is following PA. Okay, this is following by TCS. This is following by PA. These two are equal, but who will know this system engineer and programmer analyst? Maybe 2 or 3 companies you may be knowing what are the designations they have it, what are the hierarchies they have it. But we don't know really what is internal designations, right? So the reason a global terminology is required, the global terminology is bands, we are going to tell it. B, A and D. Are you getting my point? Okay. Come to the point here. What I want to say is under one level you may have a number of positions. Under one level you may have a number of positions. Anyhow, my question answer you got it. 6 corresponding position is what? Principal. That means now we are able to answer one point. 19 employee who is available. 19 employee whoever we saw previously. That guy is principal consultant. Yes or no? 19 employee. Not 19. One employee. What is this? 6. One employee corresponding position is 6. So this one Fred is working as a what means we know now he is a principal. Level 3 employee, and he is a principal. You are able to answer it or not? Yes. Now, let us say fine afternoon, you came to one tea shop, you and our manager came. Now how to identify who is small guy here, who is big guy here? 2 members came to outside. Now outside person has to recognize who is the small guy, who is the big guy. How will recognize it? Sorry? By asking. Okay. They won't tell it. They will say, hey, it's a corporate world, man. Everyone is equal here. But not reality. Okay.
One who pays the money is the junior most.
Okay. Right. How to identify V is a senior, V is a junior. Suppose this employee ID is 1, this employee ID is 19. This employee ID is 1, this employee ID is 19. We know now, as I given the data previously, 1 is reporting to the 19, 19 is a senior and 1 is a junior. We know now because we saw the data. Because we saw the data. Right. So, you know the data, that's what we are saying. But system also need to understand that one, right? There should be parent-child relationship table should be there, right? And one more point thing is, today he came for T with 19. Tomorrow he will come with the 25. Then also he is called as parent only. Then also he is called as parent only. Tomorrow you will come with the 27 also. Then also he is called as what? Parent only. But system need to understand what level of the parent he is. In case of 19, it is a immediate reporting to 19. Immediately reporting to the 19. Suppose today I don't want to come to the office. Immediately I have to report to the 19 today. Some reason I am not able to come. Suppose 19 is absent. 19 is not there. Then he has to report to whom? 25. He is also not there. He has to report to whom? 27. So immediate supervisor like that. So that relation where I have it. That relation where I have it. That's where we have created one more table that is known as parent-child relationship table. What is that? Parent-child relationship table. Let me open that one and try to understand it. So we know ancestor. What is the English meaning of ancestor? Parent. Parent. Our elders are called as ancestors. So here we are comparing one with one only. I am comparing with myself. It's similar. Then what is the distance I have? No distance, because I am comparing with myself. And one is acting as a parent for anyone? No. One is a low level employee. In the tree, what is the lowest part? Don't say root. That is the first part actually, right? That is the first part. Leaf is the lowest part. Leaf is the lowest part. The reason we are asking the question, this guy is a leaf or not? Answer is what? True. Yes, he is a leaf. Under this guy, no one is available. He is a end one. He is the end one. So we are accepting yes easily. Suppose we are comparing with himself are completed. One with compared with 1, 20 is compared with 20, 23 is compared to 23, something like that. Everything is compared. Next we are comparing what? Next level. 1 is compared with what? 19. Then what is the distance? Immediate supervisor. If one has to sit in the chair of 19, he has to get only one time promotion. One time he has to get the promotion. And one whatever we have here is a leaf or not? Is a leaf. Now let us go and try to observe here in case of 19. 19 is a leaf or is a parent? That is the reason what we said here, false. 0. 0 means false. Only we are observing the member is a last employee or not. If last employee, we are going to give 1. If not last employee, we are going to give 0. Now, if this table I given to you, now I am saying as I have here 2 members. Now I have here 2 members. This guy is a 1 member, and this guy is a 1 member, and this guy is 1. This guy is 25. Tell me, who is supervisor? Who is lowest employee? You are able to answer it or not? And how much supervisor he is? Immediate supervisor or next to immediate supervisor? That also are able to answer by taking help of the parent child or not? Yes or no? Yes, we are able to tell that one. That's what this help is there. Right. Now, if you compare one with the 25, if I compare one with the 25, what is happening here? What is the gap? 2. Gap, if I say a distance, if I say both are one and same. GAP gap or distance, both are one and same. Okay, that's how we understand this table, whatever we have it. Now data, we understand it. Let us move on to the next one, that is called as joins. Joins. Use the physical diagram to create the following physical joins for the alias tables. So we are trying to take a revenue table, then position, parent child, sales rep. Let us take here these 4 tables. Now, what is the first join? From the revenue table, employee key is equal to D51 sales rep parent child member key. Right, let us go and try to do this one. I am trying to go for new join, revenue table to parent child table, and common column is member or elders, you have to take it. Member we have to take it, and here employee key we have to take it. Now click on OK. Next join, second join. From the parent child table, ancestor key is equal to D50 sales rep employee key. So from the parent child table to here, the common column is we are trying to take here employee key is equal to what? Ancestor key. Why not employee key is equal to member key here? Yeah, here we are looking for the parents. One to many relationship is that there only it is have. One ancestor will have a number of employees. One ancestor will have a number of normal employee childs. That's what we are giving that relation to get the one to many relationship. Like it is a self-join kind of thing. In self-join, what you are doing? Manager number is equal to employee number. You are giving or not? Yes. Now we are trying to click on here. Okay. Now last one we have here position key is equal to position key. So we are going to the new join. Then position key is equal to then position key. We provide all the required things we provided. Let me close it. We completed. Next one, what you have to do? We completed joins, physical joins. We completed. Next is what? Creating logical table. So drag and drop whatever D50 sales rep available onto the business model called as sample sales. So we are trying to drag and drop D50 sales rep onto the sample sales. We drag and drop. Then we got here D50 sales rep, we got it. Now, if we expand the D50 sales rep, these are the things whatever we have it. Somehow to understand the relation properly, I need here this parent child distance as well as easily. So I am trying to drag and drop those two things also. And also I want here to understand the position description as well as position level I want it. I am trying to drag and drop. As you know already, if possibility is available, we have to drag and drop physical table columns onto logical table source. First priority goes to we have to integrate physical tables into where? Logical table source. If that is not possible, then we have to add as a second LTS to the logical table. Now, my logical table source is now strong with how many tables internally? 3 tables. So my logical table source strong with 3 tables. That's fine. We have to drag and drop like that. We drag and drop. Then create logical join between revenue table and D50 sales rep. Okay. As we didn't created the join, it is acting as what? Fact table. Any independent table is going to treat as a fact table. Now let us right click and go for the business model diagram, whole diagram. This is the one which is not connected. I want to connect now. Click on the new join and we are connecting here. Then okay. Now we are trying to close this. Now it is acting as a dimension table. With this we completed creating logical table. We completed. What is the next one? Creating parent-child hierarchy. Creating parent-child hierarchy. So right click on the D50 sales tab, create logical dimension, click on parent-child hierarchy. So we are trying to right click, then create logical dimension. Then what is this? Parent-child hierarchy. Now it is opening the logical dimension. Whenever I say parent and child, it is asking here what is a child and what is a parent. We know the child. Let us click on the browse here. Let us go and try to see the show qualified names. And what is the name corresponding to this one I want to see it. Click on the view. What is the name it is? Employee key. Who is the member we are seeing it? Employee key. Employee key, parent is who? Manager. So we have to select here now parent, the parent column browse. We have to select here, what we have to select? MGR ID, you have to select it. Let us click on OK. Now we selected here 119, 125 combination also possible, 127 combination also possible, yes or no? But 119 combination means we have to tell like it is a immediate supervisor. 125 means you have to say as what? Next to immediate supervisor. Where you define that relation. That relation is available inside the parent-child settings. Go to the parent-child settings. Now we have here option to browse the table, parent-child relationship table. Now click on that parent-child relationship table. Now we have to select here alias table or you have to select your original table. Alias table. Select it. We selected it. See, in the parent-child table, I want 4 columns only. How I come to understand is because this template is asking what? 4 columns. Member key is equal to, we have to select here member key. Parent key, we have to select here ancestor key. Distance, you have to select here. Distance, you have to select here distance. And node, you have to select here is leaf. Is it clear all the things? Right. These 4 columns mandatory should be available in the parent child. Okay. Yeah, the system will understand. Okay, how these two employees are related. First thing, who is the leaf, who is the parent, you should understand. Okay, is how this is related. Suppose if I compare the 1 and 19, is immediate supervisor. Parent child table will be created by the ETL people. ETL people. But we need to give the guidelines because they don't know what are the columns we want in the parent child table and what is the meaning of easily, what is the meaning of distance, they don't know. We have to give the requirement to some sample data, then they'll try to implement the logic accordingly. Right, now try to click on here OK. We completed here creating the hierarchy. How many levels we have here? 2 levels. In case of regular level based hierarchy, if I want to create one more level, there is option is available parent level. But if you go for this hierarchy, right click on the detail, do you get that kind of parent level? No. So in parent child hierarchy, how many levels available? Only 2 levels. One is total level, second is detail level. Even I don't want these all columns, I am deleting it. Now I left out with only one column, only 2 columns. These are the 2 columns what I left out. One is employee name, second is employee key. Employee key I want to use as a key and employee name I want to use as a display. Like that, let us configure. Double click on the detail, go to the keys. Now we are trying to select here employee key as a key, not for the display. And we are trying to write here one more record. employee name as a display, and we're trying to select here employee name, and this one we are using as use for display. Did you notice any extra column? This is available only in the parent-child hierarchy. Now click on here OK. Now let us go and try to drag and drop this D50 sales rep into here. Save it. Click on S. Some warnings are there. What is the warning? Logical dimension table as a source D50 sales rep that does not join to any fact source. Is it not joined?
Join them.
Why you got that one? Hmm? Reason is we have a table called as revenue table. The revenue table LTS, if I double click, there is a one option content logical level. Opposite to sales rep dimension, logical level is what? Empty. Empty. People who completed aggregate tables chapter, they know what is this content logical level, right? What is content logical level? Inside this table, we have the money. The money is available at what level? Inside this table, whatever we have the money, we have the money at what level we have it? Let us take this money. What is the money? Okay, bill month key, bill quarter key, cost fixed, cost variable, currency, cost customer key. Then finally we are seeing here what is this revenue? 1418 is available. 1418, how we got it? By selling this product key 7. I want to know the product name, those all things. I have to join with the product table. And who collected that money? So and so employee called as 10 collected that money. So in this table, the money is available at the level of what? Employee level. Employee key is a member of what? Detail level. So in this inside this table, the money is available at what level? Detail level.
Detail.
In aggregate table chapter, I explained better this content logical level. Time being, now we understand inside this table, the money is available at the level of what? Employee level. Employee is a member of detail level. That is the reason we are mapping detail level. Getting my point? Okay. Click on now OK. Now save it. Click on S. That warning is not there. One more warning is there. What is this? The features in database do not match the defaults. This can cause query problems. We know that one. Double click on this. There is option called as features. There is option called as reset to the defaults. Okay. Now save it. Click on S. Now do you have anything? Some reason those properties are disturbed. We click on the reset to defaults. Now it is a free from errors, warnings, and all the things. Yes. Now we completed parent-child hierarchy creating, right? Now we already dragged into this layer also we dragged it. Now how to upload this RPD into the server? We know how to upload it, right? Let me
Yes,
close
sir.
this one first. I closed it. Now this RPD is available in the location called as, this location we have this one. Let me take that name, PA sample, and we have one script. What is the script? Upload RPD script is available. In this upload RPD script, I am trying to change the name here. By name is, what is this?
DI sample.
PA sample. Now go to the end and home, control C, then go to the CMD, paste it. Before pasting, do I need to take any backup? No need to do any backup. Okay, it is anyhow our RPD only available. That is not required now. Okay, already we have it. Now directly I am overriding it. Okay. Now what is saying? RPD upload completed successfully. If you open our RPD in online mode, admin 123, then this is our RPD just now we created, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And whatever we did here, everything we are able to see, display purpose, those all things. And it is a parent-child hierarchy and parent-child settings, everything is available. Okay, right. This parent-child settings is extra in case of parent-child hierarchy. Now let us go and try to develop a report. I am trying to develop a report. Let's try to log in. Then new analysis, sample sales. I'm taking here one column called as sales dimension. Then I'm taking a column called as revenue. Let us click on the results. Who is the biggest level of employee here?
Final. Michael.
Michael. The Michael level money I am seeing here now. The Michael level money I am seeing. Under Michael, how many employees are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members are reporting to that guy. If you want, you can right click on the table and you can observe the data. 27, here it is available. 27, 27, 27. How many employees are reporting to 27?
5.
How many employees are reporting, madam? 5 employees. Okay, now we are trying to close this. That 5 employees we are seeing it. And next, let us say in our analysis, we have here one of the employee out of this 5 is what? Monica. Let me expand here Monica. Under Monica, how many employees are available? 3 employees
3.
are available. If you want, you can see 25 is reporting to how many employees? Sorry, 25 as how many subordinates? Let's say take here 25. Okay, and also 25, 25. 3 members are reporting to 25. Okay, we got that one. Next, one of the employee in that one is what? Let us say James. We have the James is available, and James number is what? 19. 19 is parent for whom? Fred and Jean. Let us go and try to observe the James, whatever available. I am expanding it. Now it is a parent for Fred and Jean. So now it is working properly or not? This is a column or it is a value?
Value.
This is a value or column? Value.
Value.
Everything is here values only. Among the values, we have the one-to-many relationship is available. For example, if I take here, let us say time hierarchy. Okay, I didn't take in here. Let me go to the RPD. Let us say I am trying to drag and drop time hierarchy. Check-in changes. Then right. If I expand here time total, what are you seeing? 2013, 14,
Years.
15. Now tell me
Years.
this 2013 if I expand it, what are you seeing? 2013 half year. What is this?
Half
Is
year.
it one column or not? This is the one column,
Yes,
right?
sir.
This is a year column data. It is coming from year column. It is coming from where? Half year
Half
column
year.
data. But in previous case, this case what? It is coming from employee name column only. This also coming from employee name column only. That's what we are saying as is a one-to-many relationship among values. It is one-to-many relationship among column. One-to-many relationship among columns is called as level-based hierarchy. One-to-many relationship among values is called as parent-child hierarchy. Excellent. Now we completed that part, and we can see the notes. Creating the parent-child hierarchy we completed. Next, if you see here, till here we can load the RPD into Oracle based server, develop a report using hierarchy, we completed. Note. Please read this note. In OBIEE 10G, we used to manage this concept by denormalizing the position table. In our above example, we can denormalize as per below and we can create level-based hierarchy. In OBIEE 10G, there is no concept of parent-child hierarchy.
Because there are three tables. The third table maintains only the snapshot of what is available in the two tables.
Right.
Otherwise, whatever the functionality which is here, the data is remaining only in the two tables, position and the employee. So by creating appropriate join, we can really do it. As you rightly said, denormalize the tables.
Right.
We can generate it.
Now, this concept, whatever template they provided right here, the template is what? Inside this one, they provide here template to define the parent-child settings. This kind of template is not available in OBIEE 10G. If it is not available in OBIEE 10G, but this employee table, these all things are available whenever businesses came, right? In OBIEE 10G, the support is not there. But this employee table is available from long back or not?
Yes, sir.
How to achieve that one in case of OBIEE 10G legacy? Right, how to achieve that is very simple. If I given columns to you, you'll able to achieve it, right? Which are the value relationship, if I given column relationship, you'll able to do it, right? For example, I'm going for, who is this guy? Last guy, 27,
Michael.
Michael. 27, then Michael, and it is a, let us say, level 1 key and level 1 value, then level 2 key, then level 2 value, then next level 3 key, then level 3 value, then level 4 key, then level 4 value. Like that, we have here a number of things we have. Now 27 corresponding who is available? Monica. 25, and Monica corresponding who is available?
And
And one more resource is what? What is the IDs? Okay, now James corresponding who is available?
that's
Now, if you go and try to observe, like this, can I continue further or not? I can continue further. So what I'm trying to say is here, next level if I write it for example, okay, we written one more record wrong here. This is how I have to write it, right? For this, who is reporting to that guy? Twenty-two, whatever we have here. Who is reporting? This guy is reporting 14.
Okay.
So now we can say as 14 like this, right? So like that I can continue. Tell me now here, it is duplication are available or not? Can I say now it is
Yes, sir.
unorganized data or not? Here I am giving, this is what the 8 columns I am giving to you. Can you create the level based hierarchy? Can you create the level based hierarchy? This is the child and this is the parent one, and the key also available. This is the parent 2 and this is what? Parent 3. You're able to create happily level based hierarchy, you're able to create. We are happy, right? Why they introduced in 11G the template, these all things? Because tomorrow my organization restructured. Instead of the 4 levels, I said 5 levels I wanted. Then we need to add here 2 more columns. 2 more columns. 2 more columns you're adding means what? You're changing the data or you're changing the metadata? Metadata. That means you have to open the database table has to change. ETL people has to populate the 2 columns here, and reporting people has to import the 2 columns into RPD, then BMM layer, then presentation layer, then hierarchies has to disturb, then it will work. But if you follow whatever method we have said here, parent child table, whatever we have here, if you follow this one more level increased also, what will happen? Number of rows will be increasing, but not the column. Number of rows increasing means as a developer of the ETL or reporting or data modeling guy, you need not touch it. Automatically the existing code only will be running. But metadata is changing means what? Everyone has to pay attention. Are you getting my point? So that is the reason this concept is introduced. So now we understand here 2 advantages. This table number of level columns must be equivalent to what? Number of positions in organization. Hence this table metadata number of columns changes from organization to organization. What are just now I given the methodology. But whatever parent child snapshot is available, that one will not change organization to organization. 2 levels only available, you can use that one. 10 levels available also you can use that one. But here 2 levels is available means 2 into 2, 4 columns I have to maintain. Key column, value, 4 columns. 10 means what? 20 columns I have to maintain. That's what the difference. If extra level is added, then metadata changes need to take care in DB, ETL and reporting levels in this approach. That's what we are not recommending this one. We went for in 11G new concept called as parent-child hierarchy concept. Am I clear this concept? Any questions? Any questions, folks? No questions?
It's metadata modification. Data redundancy is also there.
Yeah. No questions? Okay, if no questions, then I'm good with this. Let me take this as a separate recording. For this, what I will do is, Ananti, I am making as a organizer. Don't leave from the bridge. Okay, I will leave the bridge and I'll come back within 1 minute.